In this short video, I will teach you how to publish your Flutter iOS app on Windows. It's super easy. This requires a tool named Odevio. Installation instructions can be found in the description of this video. Go over to the Build section. Select your Flutter project, your application, and the publication build type. You can now start your build.
A few moments later.
Congrats! Your build is now ready for publication. The last step is to publish it on the App Store. You can proceed to this final step by going to appstoreconnect.apple.com. We now need to scroll down to the Build section. You just have to publish now. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe.